Kevin O'Leary leaked Cardano to $7,000 in February 2022.
Recently, the world's attention has been actively focused on cryptocurrencies. Many large investors actively invest their funds in various crypto projects only because they can bring considerable income. Such a project is Cardano. Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. Do you think the analysts are right about Cardano? Write the answers in the comments.
Giving away 500 Cardano at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive Cardano coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word Cardano, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. One of the main participants of the Shark Tank show, investor Kevin O'Leary, spoke about his attitude to cryptocurrencies and gave a forecast of market movement for 2022. The expert said that despite the fall in prices for Bitcoin and other digital coins, he is confident in the future success of the industry. According to the investor, there is a reason for worries, but there is no doubt that everything will end well. O'Leary stated that Bitcoin and Ethereum remind him of the early days of the world's largest technology companies. The analyst stressed that at the dawn of its formation, few people believed in the success of Google or Microsoft, but all these companies proved over time. He expects the market to grow rapidly this year. The businessman stressed that investing in shares of giant companies is no different from investing in cryptocurrencies. In both cases, a person believes in the development of technology. The investor considers this approach to be correct. He advised people to study all possible risks, but not to forget about the existence of such a tool for generating profitability as cryptocurrencies. According to the entrepreneur, everything goes according to the laws of business. Before reaching the real peaks, projects go through many obstacles. Crypto startups will not be an exception to the rule. The expert said that he has been closely monitoring the price movement of digital assets for the last 2 years. Earlier edition Crypto.What reported that Kevin O'Leary planned to increase the number of investments in cryptocurrency projects. He believes that the industry is in its infancy, and now is the time to invest your money in this sector. Emergo, which is the commercial arm of Cardano, says that, with the latest version of Yoroi Wallet version 4.10, versions of Yoroi Wallet desktop extensions in Windows, macOS, and Linux browsers now support DApp connectivity. As explained in a recent Kraken intelligence report on Cardano, Emergo is a commercial global provider of blockchain solutions that specializes in promoting commercial applications based on Cardano. Yoroi, named after the Japanese word oyoroi, which is a striking example of early Japanese armor worn by samurai of feudal Japan, is a lightweight wallet for Cardano, developed as a result of cooperation between Emergo and the Slovak fintech startup Vacuum Labs. The latter is a software development company that creates modern full-featured fintech solutions for startups, scalable companies, and operating banks, and which first contacted Cardano in 2018, when its developers began work on Ada Lite, which has become a popular Cardano web wallet in the world. As Emergo points out, there is no need for light wallets to download or synchronize the blockchain, which means that when you open the wallet, you can send or check the registration of transactions right now. Today, Emergo published a post on its blog stating that, in order to overcome Cardano dApps with the Cardano Ada wallet users moving forward, on July 21, 2021, it announced a few months ago its upcoming plans to launch an Armor dApp connector to support interaction between Cardano dApps and Armor users. Then, in today's blog post, it was announced that, with the latest version of Yoroi Wallet version 4.10, versions of Yoroi Wallet desktop extensions in Windows, macOS, and Linux browsers now support DApp connectivity. However, it should be noted that, for Mozilla Firefox users, the Yoroi DApp connector is not yet supported, but it will be available in the near future. For Yoroi Wallet users, this means that in the latest version they should see this feature in the wallet, but keep in mind that the DApp connector is currently only available to Cardano developers. Emergo says that this release is a key step towards getting Yoroi users one step closer to connecting to Cardano dApps applications through the Yoroi wallet. It also mentions that Cardano developers can now also use the dApp connector to fully connect their dApps applications to Yoroi users, and that, using the dApp connector, developers can also allow Yoroi users to participate in any actions that dApp permits, such as buying or selling tokens and Cardano-based NFT, accessing resources and using other features offered by their dApp. Into the Block Analytics data suggests that midterm Cardano holders, who may have been accumulating at recent prices, may be responsible for Cardano's buying pressure. According to the composition of Into the Block holders by retention time, only 7% of Cardano holders held their tokens for more than a year, 71% held them for a year, while 22% held their tokens for a little less than a month. The majority of Cardano holders, who are short and medium-term holders, may indicate that Cardano may have been under pressure from buyers of this class. The Cardano price continues to recover from the lows of $1.1 reached on February 3. At the time of publication, Cardano was trading at $1.1, up 5.6% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. Cardano remains in the foothills of the Bass phase. In a recent blog post, IOHK noted finality and concurrency as important metrics to consider when discussing scalability. It notes that TPS is probably the least significant metric to consider as a means of comparison, since scalability is not defined in terms of a million TPS. A recent Kraken report notes a surge in network activity and a massive increase in adoption since the end of 2020. It notes that there has been a massive increase in adoption in Cardano, starting from the end of 2020 and throughout 2021. Cardano has undergone exponential growth in almost all of the listed implementation indicators, both within the network and outside the network. Currently, there are almost 3 million wallets on the network and more than 1 million delegated wallets. Since the beginning of 2022, the number of Cardano wallets has increased by about 13.08%, increasing from 2 million on January 1 to 3 million on February 7, which totaled 349,000. The number of wallets containing the native currency of the Cardano network, ADA, has increased significantly in 2022 as the blockchain grows. The live Cardano price today is $1.2 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,848 million US. We update our Cardano to USD price in real time. Cardano is down 94% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Cardano will be able to surpass Bitcoin? Write your answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.